Hi friends, we start our series of tutorials for implementing machine learning for your Google Sheets. This is similar to Excel, but Google Sheets allows you to train machine learning models for your day-to-day operational activities, whether you are project manager, product manager, doing analytical work, or doing any operations related to your day-to-day job. Maybe you're running a coffee shop or anything else, basically. You can also just copy and paste implemented models which are developed by somebody else, and we will show you in this tutorial. It will be really quick. First, we start off with these tutorials sheet, and we pick the most interesting, in my opinion, forecast future sales. This one is based on study of this Professor Rob Hyndman. He proposed a method to forecast sales for a retail shop or retail group, whatever. So first thing we do, we need to install Simple ML for Sheets addon. A link to this addon I will put to this video. I'm clicking install, and we need to allow access to our Gmail account. Yeah, I did allow access now. You didn't see it, but because it was in a separate tab. Moving on, next. We will need to make a copy of Simple ML Sheets prepared for us by Google experts for this study. Next, we have several case studies here. It's not case studies, cases. And we should locate forecast future values. And here we have some sales. We are supposed to be playing a kind of a case here. We are data analysts at retail network, retail chain, and we have a lot of data forecasting sales value. It could be revenue from selling some whatever food, some electronics, etc. And we want to predict future sales. For this type of task, any machine learning algorithm requires extensive historical data. So let's enable Simple ML for Sheets first. So we're doing it, and what happens now? On the background, there is so-called Appscript. Appscript is same like JavaScript, but Google did some modification, and it runs on top of Appsheet, or it can run on top of Gmail, Google Photos, etc., any other Google Workspace products. So here we see we see several tasks which this specific Appscript algorithm can do, but you can create your own anything. But this one, because built by someone else, these people embedded these three types: predict missing values, spot abnormal values, anomaly detection, or forecast future sales. We select forecast future sales. Make sure, because we studied the data set and we saw that missing is values. Values could be some sales volume. 412, this actually 412 million US dollars is the notes. And we should pick value. We should put on top of this, we should put our mouse button here and press forecast. Allow several seconds for Appscript to learn this data and then predict. And this script configured automatically by its creators, developers, to do a graph. This is time series, or what is it? Predicting future value. And you see, because it's machine learning, it's learns on previous data. Basically, it copies the trend of past years, and the fluctuations of sales depending on year, it's the same. It's depending on season. In let's see, in winter season it's lower, and in spring and summer, it's summer, it's July, August is the biggest amount, and then it declines, and in Christmas is also going low. Yeah, that's interesting. We could do different thing. We could do more sophisticated forecasting. For example, when we have not just one bulk, because here is bulk value, we don't know what type of goods sales are being forecasted. We can forecast multiple goods. For example, here we have multiple departments selling multiple types of goods, toys, books, etc. So let's try to predict these values as well. We can just put it here, and it will also do some prediction. And actually, I'm not sure whether while script is working, can I make the mouse move, because I know how Appscript works. It records any actions. So that's why, just in case I don't move, do any clicks, but we'll see that Appscript built this prediction for future sales here. But why it put it here? It should put, oh, it's fine. Yeah, we have the dates, but we don't have any data. So Appscript predicts some, you can copy paste here as well if you want. For London, toys sales in 2012 will be like 2 billion. And for books, it's 2.6. Again, it learns on the patterns. And here we can see the graph of future sales time series. Let's play with this a bit. We can actually take a look at the same script via how it looks in the Appscript. So this is the code of Appscript. It takes time for... Yes, this is a typical Appscript code. Why? I cannot see my SimpleML. This is an empty project, but I think we can look for some existing. I think they didn't embed this functionality. Okay, because usually this is an add-on. It's not kind of, in a way, not open source Appscripts. Let's review the documentation. So it has a TensorFlow on the backend, and here I cannot see it, the source code. But here is a simple JavaScript. You can put some console log, hello, YouTube viewers, and then you can basically run it. Save project. What's something finished? Okay, we can sort it in I'll record a separate video on Appscript functionality. Yeah, so thank you for viewing. In the next videos, we will look how to train machine learning model. And bye-bye.